To expand a little bit on the seasons and the weather, I like to bring in the activities that we did before. So this is going to be a two-part kind of review, but also bringing in the seasons. So here we have our 4 seasons: El Invierno, which is the winter; El Verano, summer; La Primavera, spring; and El Otoño, fall. So the first thing I would like to do with these is to talk about, do you like it or not? Because everybody has a preference for seasons. So we can go through and use gustar, which is right up here, me gusta or no me gusta, and to describe the seasons. So I'm going to go ahead and do that myself. For me, no me gusta el invierno. And me gusta mucho el verano. I'm just using these two as an example because these are my two extremes. And now what I can do is I can take the activities that we saw before, which we talked about liking or not liking, but now I like to use them also and to say if I do these activities during the winter or during the summer. So I'm still conjugating them and putting them into the I form, positive or negative. So looking at these right away, anything outside I'm pretty much not doing in the winter. So I can start with those. No nado, I don't swim. Making sure I put that O at the end. No monto bicicleta. No corro. And I guess I could say no juego, but I'm going to pick a sport that's really not for the winter time. I'm not just going to say deportes. I'm going to say no juego voleibol. Remember that jugar is a little irregular when you conjugate it. The U turns into a UE. And now looking at the summer, I can talk about the things that I do. Nado en el océano. I definitely take a lot of pictures. Tomo fotos. And I do ride my bike. Monto bicicleta. So this is what I would like for you to do with the seasons. I'd like to know, number one, do you like the season or not like the season? And you can use mucho or un poco to say I like it a little or I like it a lot. But then also to include activities underneath that you do or don't do. And you're not limited to these activities. I'm using these as an example, but you absolutely can put in there if you like the winter, that you play in the snow, that you go sledding, that you make a snowman, that you build an igloo, or that some people like to go skiing. You can absolutely expand on these activities. Summer could be surfing. Spring could be planting flowers. Fall could be going trick-or-treating. You're just going to have to do a little research to find the verbs. But since you know how to conjugate verbs now, you can really use any verb in the language that's regular, and you'll be able to conjugate it in the yo form to make a positive or negative sentence. So I look forward to hearing and seeing what everybody comes up with, especially what's not on here, what you add that's a little part of your life, things that you do or don't do that's going to make it unique.